Hi, I'm Aletha with WTI. In order for me to get shade on my really hot patio, I needed to install a shade sail, but I couldn't do it without the hardware from YOFIT. The YOFIT shade sail hardware is awesome. It comes with everything that I need to hang my shade sail with ease. It comes with these awesome, really strong turnbuckles that can extend to almost 8.5 inches, from 6 inches to 8.5 inches almost. It comes with your snap hooks. There's 4 of those, and it comes with 8 pad hooks. This kit is awesome. It's easy to install. All I have to do is put my pad eyes on my house wherever I need to, and they hold so strong because I've used the screws that also came with the kit. So they hold really strong. The next thing I needed to do was just install my turnbuckle hooks and screw them nice and tight so that the sail could stay. So without this awesome shade sail kit from YOFIT, I could not have put my shade sail up properly. I love this kit. I highly recommend it, and that is just my point of view.